So now there's a lot of stuff there. And like I said, we haven't covered everything today. And Frank, when we first released GP6, there was a lot of innovation that was done after the initial release, correct?
For sure. So we are in 625. I would say in 2 weeks, 626. So we had more than 26 minor release, and minor release is not only about providing a bug and fix. We are bringing also innovation. So I gave the example regarding backporting PG audit in release 625. So this is, a huge work. And something I want to mention, because this is super important, I want to acknowledge and to thank all our customers, because a lot of innovation that we are bringing today in Greenplum 7, this is because of all our customers. We have our customer using Greenplum for 1 year, but some of them they are using for 10 years and even more. So thanks to all of you.
We take very seriously every input from the users, because it's not like an iPhone where we use it at our home, right? This is an enterprise product. We need to very seriously listen to what our customers say and take it super seriously. So we want to just share with you 3 or 4 very interesting things we're going to keep innovating on GP7. And we're almost at the wrapping out of time, so I'm going to go real fast here. Number 1 is this concept of Canary queries. What is a Canary query is, it's a user business query that we automatically run for you on a schedule, and that you can graph next to the system resources. This will help you to see if this typical business query that ran, let's say, in 5 seconds every day starts running in 11 seconds, that gives you an indication that you can see what's happening on your system. So this is a module to help you manage your own Canary queries. We're also working on a new version of the streaming server. We're going to make it a multi-node product that can scale out. And so we already have users running billions of data ingestion points with the streaming server, but this new architecture will take it to a huge new level. Frank, you want to talk about
this? I just want to mention regarding the streaming engine, we have customers streaming in between 5 to 10 million events per second.
Per second.
Inside the Greenplum system. So think about
that's with the single node architecture of the streaming server. So I think if we get it to the multi-node, it could be even to whatever the customer needs, we'll be able to handle it. And then change data capture is a highly requested feature. It's something common in single node databases, but was not easy for us to come about with the MPP. But now we're in closing sites to getting this released next year. And this will be in addition to our disaster recovery, which is a full transaction log replica. This is basically monitoring of specific tables and data sets, and then capturing the insert, update, deletes, pushing them into Kafka or RabbitMQ, messaging and pushing those out to another Greenplum, to another Postgres, or even in the future to other technologies, so that you can expose and real-time share the data as it's modified into another tool. Also on the analytics side, we do have a lot of users with geography data and geospatial analysis. We want to solve the Uber driver and Uber passengers problem. If I have a table of Uber drivers and a table of passengers, how do I effectively and efficiently find which passengers are within X amount of distance of the drivers? This is a challenging research problem that's really not a fully solved problem, but we're going to solve this, and we're going to use some sort of a grid-based approach and the optimizer to do this very effectively in the future. Yeah.
Ivan, because we are close to the end, so please use the chat if you have any question, because we want to take the time to answer all the questions. Yeah. So feel free to start.
Absolutely. So, and let me do the last one, which is the, I'm going to just jump to the last one that we have time for, which is, this is not the official name yet. We're going to have an official name for it. The unofficial name is the GPML bot, but we're going to build a automated machine learning capability. We think of it like an agent, an intelligent agent to help users to do machine learning in Greenplum, right? So you have your data, but we want to produce business value quickly. So we're building an automated experimentation platform that will intelligently guide the users to run real experiments and to generate machine learning recipes for you, for your business, so that you can get business value from it super quickly. And we'll have a lot more to say about the machine learning capability and the automated machine learning capability in the future.